Welcome to this video, where we're about to share some of the best travel hacks to help you score those elusive cheap flights. If you're looking to stretch your travel budget, these tips are your ticket to affordable adventures. 1. Be flexible with your travel dates. Flexibility is your best friend when it comes to finding cheap flights. Consider flying on weekdays, as weekends tend to be more expensive. Also, be open to traveling during off-peak seasons when demand and prices are lower. 2. Use fare comparison websites. Take advantage of fare comparison websites like Google Flights, Skyscanner, and Kayak. These platforms allow you to compare prices across multiple airlines and booking sites, ensuring you find the best deal available. 3. Book in advance. Don't wait until the last minute to book your flight. Aim to book your tickets at least a few weeks in advance. Airlines often offer lower prices for travelers who plan ahead. 4. Consider nearby airports. Expanding your search to include nearby airports can lead to significant savings. Check if there are alternative airports within reasonable driving distance and compare prices to find the best option. 5. Set fare alerts. Don't have the time to constantly monitor flight prices. Set up fare alerts on your preferred booking websites or apps. You'll receive notifications when prices drop for your chosen routes, allowing you to pounce on the best deals. 6. Use airline miles and rewards. If you've accumulated airline miles or credit card rewards, this is the perfect time to cash them in. Many loyalty programs offer the option to redeem miles for flights, reducing your out-of-pocket expenses. 7. Fly budget airlines. Consider flying with budget airlines for short-haul or regional flights. They often offer competitive prices and can be a great way to save on travel expenses. 8. Clear browser cookies or use incognito mode. When searching for flights online, use your browser's incognito or private mode. Airlines can track your searches and may increase prices if they detect repeated interest in a particular flight. Clearing cookies or using incognito mode can help you avoid this. 9. Be ready to book quickly. When you find a great deal, be prepared to book quickly. Prices can change rapidly, and seats may sell out fast. Having your payment information ready can give you an edge in securing that cheap flight. 10. Check for hidden fees. Before you click book, carefully review the total cost of your flight. Some airlines may have hidden fees that can make a seemingly cheap fare more expensive. Check for baggage fees, seat selection costs, and any other potential extras. There you have it, your ultimate guide to finding cheap flights. With these travel hacks, you'll be jetting off to your dream destinations without draining your wallet. Remember, a little planning and flexibility can go a long way in the world of travel. So, click that subscribe button. Ring the notification bell and join us on this exciting journey to make your travels unforgettable while keeping your wallet happy. Thanks for being part of our community, and we can't wait to see you in the next video. Safe travels!